Ceiling Fan Luxury.
Hello Vietnam, I'm Borja Girat, CEO Fanxi. We are a ceiling fan brand proudly engineered in the United States. Welcome. At Fanxi, we believe a ceiling fan should do more than cool your space. It should bring comfort, elegance, and efficiency. Fanxi ceiling fans are crafted with refined, high-end designs that reflects the true American character. Fanxi offers a diverse collection of styles, from classic elegance to modern sophistication. At Fanxi, we focus on advanced DC motor technology, optimizing airflow performance with a smooth and flexible control via remote control. Our DC motors ensure near silent operations with exceptional energy efficiency, making them ideal for your modern living spaces. Fanxi recreates a fresh, natural breeze that brings comfort to every moment, whether you are relaxing in the bedroom, entertaining in the living room, or cooking in the kitchen, or working out. For the first time, Fanxi is not available in Vietnam. We make very specific, high-quality, unbeatable prices for your market. Come and visit us.